Hello there again. Grateful you could join us. Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network. Here walking around a 2019 Tesla Model 3 with you. We started our walk-arounds as a way of being as transparent as possible and showing you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you happen to be on our website and would like to see those photos, just scroll down. They're located below this video. If you'd like to view a detailed vehicle description which highlights features and options of the Tesla, just scroll up. It's located above this video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see either one of those, plus view a free CARFAX report, the original window sticker, maybe grab some financing options, or a shipping quote to ship the Model 3 anywhere in the country, visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Thank you again for joining us. Let's go ahead and start that walk around. All right, taking a look at the Tesla. As you can see, there's great tread on the tires. A couple of very small chips. And that is really all there is on this car. And once you back up, they vanish. Because like I said, they're very minor. The rest of this car is in better than average condition by far. There's another little nick there. For the miles in the year, this thing's been well taken care of, folks. Let's take a look here. You can see the glass roof all the way to the back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? Now, to show you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visors, and normally it would be the headliner, but there really isn't much of one in a Tesla. But what little there is in the beams is in like new condition. And then there's the top of the dash, which is also in like new condition. But if you have any questions about the condition or any other features on the Tesla, give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the top of your screen.